That's coming up.
If you're looking to upgrade your car audio system, one of the best ways to do it is to install a high-voltage alternator. Alternators are responsible for providing power to the electrical system in your car, and a high-voltage alternator can provide up to twice the amount of power as a standard alternator. There are a few things to keep in mind if you're considering upgrading to a high-voltage alternator. First, make sure that your car's electrical system can handle the increased power. You'll also want to make sure that you have the proper cables and connections to properly install the alternator. Finally, be aware that a high-voltage alternator can put additional strain on your car's battery, so you may want to upgrade to a higher capacity battery. There are a few things to consider before making the decision to install a high-voltage alternator in your car. First, think about the current setup of your car audio system. If you have a powerful system that is pushing the limits of your car's electrical system, a high-voltage alternator can give you the extra power you need. If you have a less powerful system, a high-voltage alternator might not be necessary. Second, consider the cost of a high-voltage alternator. They are typically more expensive than a standard alternator, so you'll need to decide if the extra cost is worth it for the benefit it can provide. Most car audio enthusiasts are familiar with the standard 12-volt electrical system in their vehicles. However, there are also high-voltage car audio alternators available that can provide up to 16 volts of power. This can be a great way to get more power to your car audio system. When shopping for a high-voltage alternator, first you need to make sure that the alternator can handle the wattage of your stereo. Second, you need to make sure that the alternator has enough output to charge your batteries. Third, you need to make sure that the alternator has a low impedance. This will ensure that it lasts for years to come and that you don't have to replace it prematurely. Keep these things in mind and you'll be sure to find the best one for your car audio system. Still confused on which one is best for your car audio system? Leave a comment below. Be sure to check out BASSWITHKEVnetwork.com for high-voltage car alternators for your car audio system and use code BWK at checkout.